schedule the interruption.
This is proof that we tell the truth, right? That people are trying to keep us off the internet because what we're saying is too real.
Also, guess what time it is? We're back just in time for
it's
Okay.
Sprite. Dada.
Was that okay, Vivian? Are you okay doing that? Was that all right with you?
I don't know. It just doesn't feel like it means anything anymore, you know?
I also interrupted Vivian mid-setup, which I apologize for. I feel like that everything's...
I wasn't sure. I just feel like before, we used to argue so much about the best extension, right? And then, you know, we were forced to do this, which made everybody realize Arcade Sprite Data is the best extension. So now it's just kind of like, what's, you know, beating a dead horse.
But the reason we do the cheer was because we add it so often.
Wait, did everyone agree that Arcade Sprite Data is the best extension?
That's why we do it.
Yeah, I never agreed that.
Because it's the best one.
That's not why we do it. We do it because we add it all the time, which gives us many opportunities to do the synchronized Power Ranger style power move. All we're missing is the end part where all of us are in a different pose overlapping with each other. Mine is this. Yeah. And if we were in the same room, we would do that too.
Shouldn't our poses spell something? If we all stand together, maybe we'd be like...
Data! Data?
Wow, we're giant nerds.
It's part of the chant. It's for the... What would you have it spell, Vivian?
I think we should be ASD, and then two people make the A together. And then the rest are...
So you're just leaving one person to do the S then?
You can do an S.
S.
Hmm?
S.
Yeah.
You could be a lowercase d.
Ooh.
But
S is difficult, I feel like.
I feel like it just isn't as cool as if we just did poses, you know?
I agree. I think we should just do poses.
Last week I did something really menacing towards Shannon. I didn't realize it was menacing.
What?
I was like trying to like throw some peace signs at her, but like my hands were tired. And I was trying to be cool instead of going like this because this was too much energy. So I think I was like this, and it just looks like I'm
Yeah.
We were trying the other day, Vivian, to remember your sign. It's this, right? VVN.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice. Okay, so I made a bunch of sprites and I set the name of them on it and I made them all invisible. And I don't really know. I can't destroy these sprites, so I'm gonna have to clone them, I guess, to make an ingredient, which is not ideal, but you know, it's fine. So I'm making a function. It's gonna take in a sprite.
Do we have a clone sprite function?
Not in blocks, I don't think. We have a clone image function.
Hey, Joey, you should make a clone sprite function for your sprite util. And it should also clone the data.
Ooh.
I guess if you clone data, that is enough, actually. I was trying to think of, like, because you can add properties, but we wouldn't expect it to be able to work with, like, status bar sprites. It would just be base.
Yeah.
So it's not, like, the issue is that it's not like JavaScript where you can just iterate through all the and enumerate them first.
So basically, I'm just copying everything off of this sprite. I'm making a sprite with the same image of the same kind. And I'm going to set it to the same position. I don't really need that, so I'm not going to do it. And then I'm going to copy my one property over because I know exactly what it's called.
Vivian, if this light rain is enough to take your power out, you're in the wrong place.
We had like really intense rain on Sunday, and our like internet has been really flaky since then.
Oh no!
It's Thursday now.
I know, isn't that crazy? But also
it's
we have
crazy.
did anything go down? Like your power lines or something?
The
The other day
satellite
we were
dish that connects you to the internet.
maybe the other day we were running, and a lady was like, "Stop! There's a down line here, and I'm on the phone. We don't know if it's dangerous, but don't go running over some down power lines." I'm like, "Thank you."
Wow.
And then she went back to the
That's good.
phone, and she was like, "Sorry, I was talking to some runners." I'm like, I've never been called a runner before. Wow.
Nice.
Good advice, though, everybody. Don't touch power lines,
True.
downed or otherwise.
Also, Vivian, clearly you looked so legit.
Yeah, probably. I was like so happy towards the woman that after we were done with our loop, I was like, we should go back to see if she's still there. Because if she is, we should, take over so she can go home and eat dinner.
Yeah.
But she was gone. And I think they just
And-
cut the line out.
In the I'm sure if you went back in 2 weeks, Vivian, she would be like, "Oh, I'm just talking to 2 triathletes."
Oh, heck yeah. Just swimming our way through the neighborhood because it's just all water now.
Oh, the Z-index. Okay. Set this to a variable. So I'm going to make a copy of the sprite. I'm going to set its position. I'm going to animate it into the pot. Yes. Okay, let's just take a quick look and see.
I'm gonna go check on AutoZone. I'll be right back.
Have fun.
Cool. Okay. Okay, cool. I have an idea, which is basically you say yes or no, like Vivian said, and then you get to pick 3 ingredients, and at the end you get a soup kind based on the 3 ingredients you picked. And we'll see how that goes. So I guess we'll make a food item, and then we will have the villager say something, which is like, I can't get rid of these blank, or want some, or
He's sleeping under my bed.
aw.
Vivian, when you say boba soup is almost a thing, what do you mean?
Oh, there's like different dessert places where they have like shaved ice and condensed milk, and then you have lots of toppings on it. Like sometimes it's ice cream, but also like, boba and like other things. And if it melts a little bit, boba soup. But also they have other things where it's like supposed to be hot, and sometimes they're starting off already like melted. I just go for the classic shaved ice because my palate isn't refined enough for the fancier desserts.
Can you explain starting off hot?
Yeah, it's just like the whole thing is warm and gross. I don't know if it does.
Water.
Oh, sorry. Maybe it's not ice.
Oh.
Maybe it's something else. I ordered it once on accident, and it was sad.
I think you could put boba in a savory soup, though. I think it would work. It doesn't taste sweet, right? Like the pearls don't themselves taste sweet. It's got a good texture.
Some people add
And I
sugar
feel like it
to
would
the
pick up
pearls.
flavor all right.
I don't like my boba not sweet.
Okay. I mean, how often have you had not sweet boba?
When I don't add sugar to my boba,
And you just eat it plain?
it's salty.
That's not what we're talking about. See, salty is perfect for savory soup.
I'm with Unsign Arduino. My boba tastes like that all the time. I don't like boba. Shannon, what's wrong?
Perk up, Shannon. It's okay.
Is Shannon frozen?
It'll be all right.
Oh my gosh, it took Shannon.
He is frozen.
Okay, cool. I thought Shannon was just like,
She's just super concerned.
this power outage is sweeping across the Seattle nation.
The nation of Seattle.
Oh no. Maybe the actual nation. Who knows? Let us know if your power goes out. Maybe Shannon.
It might be tough to do that, but yeah.
I don't know.
Oh no.
What distinguishes a drink that has like solid parts? So in this case, like boba or something, from a soup. Like what is this?
Are you trying to argue that boba is soup? Because that's ridiculous, Joey.
I'm not trying to argue that yet. I'm trying to weasel my way in there by giving you the first couple, like getting you to admit the first couple parts of it.
I never will. Oh my gosh, the stream right now is just me and you, Joey.
I know. Does anyone want to share their screen?
No, it's kind of funny this way.
No.
I can share my arcade live stream call screen and see how that works.
Look, Vivian's there too, just real tiny.
Oh. No, but legitimately, what's the distinction between soup and drink? I'm actually doubting myself a little here now.
I think it's where
Because you know if it's soup or not, you know?
Okay, it's one of those ones where the judge is like, I don't know how you define it, but I know it when I see it.
Yeah.
Is that sort of? I don't want to just say what it's talking
I
about.
feel
'cause
like
I realized
you
after I
could-
started talking, it's not an appropriate one to talk about.
you could have it with a spoon or with a. Oh,
Is-
Shannon's back.
Wait.
Shannon?
Shannon's back?
Shannon?
Yeah.
Well, it says my webcam's
Hey.
not working, but
Yeah, you're not there. There's just a black rectangle, but we can hear you and see your screen.
Here, I'll,
yeah, I think
That's fine.
webcam isn't important for this.
I'll add a Shannon picture. Don't worry.
Yep.
So excited.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're making a food item. The villager is saying something. I'm gonna add, oh no.
What?
Add restricted menu
Oh.
extension.
What, my terrible menu extension?
Oh wait, no, there's
Yeah,
a
just
story.
do show player choices.
Yes, I forgot that this was here now.
Should have let her add the menu extension before you said it's terrible and you should use show player choices. We would have gotten a quarter.
Probably would have gotten a quarter. Okay. So I'm making this food item. I'm making it invisible. And then show player choices. Where's the? Oh, okay. Take the ingredient. No, thanks. Last
So
dance.
glad they finally added a clear all formatting button to Teams.
You did?
Yeah.
Is this like a secret that I'm gonna get when I next update?
It's a little eraser over text.
Ooh.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, so if you take the ingredient, otherwise we will just destroy the sprite. Food item. And we will animate the character off screen. So
Gosh, someone should really make a good menu extension. I mean, not me.
mhm.
Somebody.
You.
Right.
Oh,
Finn is busy.
nice.
Okay, let's take a quick look. So, stone soup. Boop. take the ingredient. Awesome. Cool. And I
Sorry, Shannon, you just appeared on the stream.
Vivian's version.
Yep.
I have the stream up, but I'm excited.
Don't
to
look,
go.
Shannon.
Okay. So I don't want to do that. They're just going to back off. And then I'm going to have a list here that is going to be all the ingredients. And when you hit 3, you're done. Oh man, we are going right up to the wire for this.
Nice.
An empty array. If you take it, we will add value.
Right. Data.
We will add the name to the end. Not food item. My ingredients. Cool. And then we have another if here, and that's if you have less than 3. So length of array, my ingredients, less than 3, then we will again call start villager. Otherwise, we will call a function called serve soup. Done. So in serve soup, we will destroy all of our other sprites. So we're going to destroy the chef and the soup pot, and we're going to make a big sprite, variable soup, final soup, of kind. Okay, I need to do one more thing also. Before I forget, I'm going to do an overlaps. I'm going to copy my existing overlaps. And it's going to say when food overlaps with pot, it will destroy the food. All right, cool. So that will have the food go in. We're going to make a final soup, and it's going to be big. Draw a bowl. Gosh. What color? Tan?
It's better than green.
Sure. And then I'll put some chunks in because of soup. Does this look appetizing? Something's happening here.
Yes,
Be
you got your beef and your carrots and your eyeballs.
Your eyeballs. All right. Sure.
Soup looks like.
And then we will have this sprite just say final soup. Variable soup name. Okay, so I'm gonna set the soup name to a string, and then for each value of our my ingredients, I'm going to join the ingredient to the current soup name. I'm going to add it to the end with a space in between. And then we're going to say the soup name. And we're going to pause for another whatever seconds, and then we'll get a game over. Okay, cool. We have a meeting at 2. So I'm gonna try and run through this game as we do outros. I guess we'll see.
Also, you have art. You have art waiting.
Oh no, I forgot about the art. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do the art. Sorry, guys. The technical difficulties. Let's see. So.
Should we start outros? While you're...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us. I'm Shannon. I'm at Checkout on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joe at J1Drill on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, I think, at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Vivian. I live Triv on the MakeCode forums.
Is this one by Gideon?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, incredible. Thank you so much, Gideon. This one's from Joey. And then this one's supposed to go into food array.
The other two I put are food, yeah. So there's the not food one, like you suggested. So this is a starfish. You shouldn't eat starfish, but I'm sure you can. I'm sure
it looks like a vegetable for sure. I mean, it moves, but sometimes vegetables move, I guess.
Yeah.
Vivian.
Nice.
Raccoon. And then Joey has.
Raccoon looks too cool for school,
Yeah.
It's a can, but it's a can of tuna?
Canned tuna, yeah.
Nice. Okay. Awesome. Starfish. Tuna. Cool. Well, thanks again. See you guys tomorrow.